Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 BMW X4 xDrive35i. This one is a carbon black. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter inline-6 turbo pushing out 300 horsepower and 300 pounds torque. This one does come with the M package, which is going to give you 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A mocha leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back. We've got our X4 badging. Open up the tailgate. Power liftgate. Set LCs and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Alongside. We've got Harman Kardon sound system, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, heads up display, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, our different driving options, some more hard keys for our media display, automatic transmission. This X4 has 81,457 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW X4, check out feldmannimports.com.